In Bangladesh, the formal justice system is under tremendous pressure. Huge caseloads and a vastly overstretched human resources mean a backlog of cases that at present stands at nearly 500,000. For many of the country's poor, particularly rural people and those from vulnerable groups, this situation is compounded by prohibitive costs of legal proceedings and a lack of knowledge that severely restricts their access to formal justice mechanisms. Yet in spite of such obstacles, things here are moving forward. The government of Bangladesh, with financial support from the European Union and technical assistance from UNDP, has initiated a project that is reactivating almost 500 rural village courts and bringing fair, accountable and accessible justice to the local level. The project is working through Union Parishads, the lowest tier of local government in Bangladesh, and is developing the capacity of the courts and their officials to deliver justice results in rural areas. The Village Courts Act of 2006 laid out the jurisdiction, composition and the structure of the reactivated courts. They are composed of 5-member juries headed by the Union Parishad chairman and made up of a mix of local community members and elected officials. And they are empowered to hear both criminal and civil cases worth up to 25,000 taka or approximately $350. While they operate according to modern principles of justice, the village courts do build upon a long-standing tradition of local justice in Bangladesh. For centuries, shalish, or principles of mediation, have been a common element of local life, and a relatively effective way of resolving local disputes. Yet shalish does not generally operate with recognised rules or regulations, and as it depends largely on local elites for decision-making, it can often be captured by vested and powerful local interests. By supporting and reactivating formal village courts, the project is helping to secure equitable justice outcomes for rural people. The project is building the skills and capacity of a range of people involved in rural justice, from Union Parishad members and local representatives, to village police, to village court judges and staff. It is also forging strong local partnerships with NGOs working in the justice sector at this local level. Another key element centres on increasing the awareness of communities on the local justice system, promoting basic human rights, and the power that they have to resolve justice disputes at the local level in transparent and affordable ways. The results of this approach are twofold. Activating village courts is reducing the burden of cases at local police stations and is relieving some of the pressure on the higher justice system. It is also providing local people with more realistic justice options. Yet the approach is also helping to strengthen communities. The skills and training imparted to local representatives is helping local government institutions and has a flow-on effect into other vital services. And the alternative dispute resolution methods employed by the court are having positive impact on communities themselves by drawing them together to find local, practical solutions to local level disputes.